Hello, dear AI enthusiast. Hope you're doing well. I am absolutely sure that the picture which you are now spectating in front of your screen, as well as in front of the video of mine, is the table in the data store on mac.com, which you are not completely sure how you are able to export. And that's absolutely reasonable, because as a matter of fact, there is no specific feature for this in mac.com. And for this reason, I have prepared for you the plug and play automation blueprint, which allows you to essentially export any amount of records you want from all kinds of data store tables you have on your mac.com account. And just to give you 20 seconds preview of that, I'm not a complete scammer. At least I'm a certified scammer. My name is Max. I am a top-rated AI developer on freelance platform #1 in the world, Upwork. I have delivered over 30 AI projects and earned over $30,000 on this wonderful platform. Now, when I have racked and hopefully earned certain level of authority in your mind, let's try out the template, which you can access by following the very first link in the description below. Let's go. Okay, after you have pressed the link which is on top of the description below, then you will be redirected to this page where you can get the access to the actual blueprint. And just important notice, even though it shows $9+, you're absolutely able to get it for free. But if you aren't little jerk, unlike me, then you could pay something. And anyways, here you just continue, just 0 process, go through the wonderful set of captchas, and here we go. You just press download. Sick. You have it stored in your downloads section. And let me just super quickly go into the new scenario, and I will just do absolutely the whole procedure in front of you, showing you what you will do, or if you feel more comfortable following this, and just open your mac.com account in the adjacent tab and simply follow what is going on. But again, don't forget to grab the automation blueprint, which is accessible, as you can see, for free by clicking the first link in the description below. And yeah, I have just read a couple of marketing books, so I will make the minimal price for this automation blueprint $9 in the next 2 days. Therefore, please do make sure to jump down and pick your blueprint. Even if you don't need it now, it might be useful in the nearest future. Well, hopefully it wasn't that hard of a push. If it was, then please press the like button for my persistence. And in the meantime, we have imported the blueprint, and in fact what you must do is establish 2 connections. Here you will have to create a Google Drive connection. You can see the tutorial over here, but long story short, it's rather the typical OAuth connection where you just sign in with your actual Google account, so nothing special. In mac.com, in order to establish the connection here, well, in fact, you could create the OAuth connection. However, I highly recommend using API key because it seems just simpler. And the way you do this is that pick the environment of your hosted account, and I think it's basically the domain part of your link. And after that, to access the API key, what you must do is you go to the profile section of yours, and you'll see API, and you will be able to create the new token. You can just select all if you wanna have it quick. And actually I haven't seen the MCP token thing, so perhaps the next video will be about it. And then you press add, and I'm lazy to blur out the popped up API key, therefore I will skip it for now, but you will see the API key in the full format like this, having the label you have specified in this field. And then you use this API key, simply copying it and pasting into this section, pressing save, and voila, you have the connection like this one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You are done with this. Here you pick the data source which you want to have imported. For the demonstration sake, let's play around with the table which has the set of payers, the list of payers representing country name and country code. And you don't have to change anything. You just pick the table in the top drop down over here, and nothing else. And here you also must specify the Google Drive connection you have created in either this module or this one, or even previously. And I think I will even rename this part. Yeah, essentially you are seeing the production, at least a part of it right now, you know, little backstage. And what you must do here is the only required variable is the ID of that data store table, and you find the ID over here. So you go to your table, you click it if you have to access it, and then the very last part of the URL will be 5-digit number representing the ID of that data store, and you gotta insert it here. And eventually the thing which you can change here is the name of the returned file. We can say output 777, so some James Bond style. And we can also specify how many first records will be exported. So right now we have 249 records, but we are able to export only the first 100. And if you leave it empty, then absolutely all records will be exported into your Google Sheets table. If not, then you specify a specific number, and we will see now that the first 100 records will be beautifully exported into the Google Sheets, the link to which we will have at the end just as the easy to access source of our exported data. So we just press save, and of course something decided to make the full execution a bit longer. And no worries. We just refresh the page. I'm even surprised how this whole software is even working. That's freaking miracle. And actually good thing is that this automation has run successfully. So we can just hop here and see the final result, which is set at the end. We just see the access link, which we just double click on, press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V in the search bar, and we have the full table exported, and in fact we have first 100 records presented. I don't quite see the number, but let's open the Google Sheets. And yeah, it would be cooler if we have Honduras as the last country, but Croatia is also fine. Sweet. And again, reminding you of the setup of this automation. You've gotta be cautious of that. Here you must either leave empty to have all records exported, or you must specify the particular limit which will ensure that only X, where X is your input here, first records will be inserted into the new CSV file, which you can get access to just by seeing the result of the latest module. So here it is, and as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. I hope in case you are gonna start doing this whole procedure now, you have a full idea and understanding of what you will be doing. In case you are following here, then a small round of applause from me. You have successfully exported your data store. So now you can just press any other table and have the records beautifully inserted into the Google Sheets file as well, with no extra hassle at all. Once again, for the next 2 days, this automation is possible to be gotten for free. Therefore, do not wait. Click the very first link in the description below. Take it, even if you don't have any need to export data store records right now, because believe me, you absolutely will need it, because the whole world is moving towards AI automation, and some stuff which you might have in your data store and deem it as unimportant might be the gem which you would love to have quickly exported. And wow, you actually did take 10 seconds right now, whenever you're watching this video, to grab this information and be able to export any data store in your Google Sheet just in a couple of clicks. Thank you very much for watching. Press the like button if you like this video. Press the dislike button under someone else's video if you didn't like this particular piece of content. Also leave the comment either why you love this video or something else. Thank you very much for your attention, and if you're not dummy and you want to save hours of time and add thousands of dollars to your business's profit margins, then book a free AI audit call for your business in the first link in the description below. And let's automate the things together, and subscribe.